Welcome back, y'all. I'm gonna do a straight GoPro video, so bear with me, guys. I brought my second camera with me, but I feel like it's gonna be too much of a hassle, so I'm gonna do just a straight GoPro video, first person view. Bear with me, y'all. Here we go. Yeah, it seems to be a little cloudy today, as you guys can see. It looks like it's about to rain. It's 50 degrees outside right now, so it's nice and cold. We're gonna do some smallmouth fishing. So what I have here is I have a Zoom curly tail. This is a 4-inch Zoom curly tail with the size 2 offset hook and a 1/8 bullet sinker. As you guys can see, 1/8 bullet sinker. So basically we're gonna cast it out and I'm just gonna drag this along the bottom. We're gonna be fishing for smallmouth. This spot looks pretty good. Oh, I got a bite. Oh, got him. Got him. Woo. There you go. Feels pretty small. Oh, I got away. It got away. That's just a small one though. Bit right on the drop too. It's crazy. I got another bite. Oh, God dang it. I missed it again. Seriously. Let's try that again. I think it's just a whole bunch of small one down there. Yeah, I got one. Ooh, there you go. Man, 3 bites back to back. That's crazy, man. Yep. Ooh, this one might be a good size. Oh no, it's just a small one. Yep. Just a small one. Yeah, so again, this lake, there's no size limit. You could catch 5. You could keep up to 5, but this one don't have any meat on him, so I'm just gonna let her go. See you next year. Yeah, pretty much I'm just letting it drop on the bottom and I'm just dragging it. Depending on how much rock is down there. If there's a lot of rock, then I usually just hop it right on top of the rocks. But most of the time I'm just dragging it. Oh, got him. Got him. Just a small one though. That's two fish. Oh, I got this guy good. Yep. Fish number 2. Fish number 2, yo. Right off the drop. Yeah, sometimes it's good to have a little sand like this too, because there will be some part down there that has rock like this, and those bass will be sitting right on top of the rocks. So with sandy part like this, you want to cast it out where there's a little bit of rock down there. Oh, lòng gô. Ừ. Tôi hái là nhóc hổ này. Ooh, this one's a fighter, yo. Lòng gô. Oh, yeah, this one's a good size. This one's a good size, yo. He's a fighter. Bam. This guy is easily 10-inch right here. Ooh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. He's going home with me. Okay. Bam, right there. It's about 10-inch right there. Check that out. Yes, sir. All right. There you go. There you go. Oh, right on the drop, dude. Oh. Right on the drop, dude. Yep. Man, these little ones fight like a champ. Woo. Oh, this one's a good size. Yeah, this one's an okay size. Yep. Going into the bucket. This one is about 8-inch. Yeah, so basically right now we're just looking for big boulders like these. Yep. Usually when there's big boulder like these, that means they're big boulder down there too. Oh, right on the drop again. Oh, I think he picked it up again. Yep, he picked it up again. Oh, yeah. Oh, he got away again. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, oh. What the heck, dude? Look at that. This time he took my bait completely. All right, they're around here somewhere. Oh, I got a bite. Oh, got him. Just a small one though. Ooh, now it's fighting. Now it's fighting. Oh, spit it out. Spit it out. Oh, got one. Oh my gosh, dude, what's up with this hook? What the heck? Man, I don't know what's going on with this hook. Oh, it gets deeper. Oh, got one. Woo! Man, here he comes. Oh, yo, here he comes. Man, right off the drop. Right off the drop. Woo! Super shallow. Damn. This guy, he's going home with me. This guy's going home. Oh. These guys are pretty shallow. They're not really that deep. Oh, got one more. Boom. Boom. This guy might be a good size too. Fight like a champ. Woo. Yep, this guy. Yep, this guy's going home. This guy's going home with me. Damn, another one. Oh. Oh, God dang it. Almost. Almost. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my line broke. Oh. Huh? Yeah. Oh, got one. Picked it up. Damn. This guy's a fighter. Ooh, yep. This guy's a fighter. Ooh, I know that lot hell. Ooh, I know that lot hell link. Yeah. This one. Oh, yep. Yup. Bam! Right there. Easily 12 inch right here. Easily. Yeah. That guy is easily keeper. 12 inch right here. All right, yo. Not a too bad day today. The sun's about to set right now, so we're gonna call it a day, yo. We're gonna call it a day. Hey, if you guys made it this far, make sure to click on my channel and check out all my videos. I'll see you guys next time.